Hey guys, this is Myra and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I got in another awesome recipe for you guys in which I am making Oreo shakes. Who doesn't like Oreo milkshakes, especially Oreo ones? I totally love them and I really like this recipe, so I thought to share it with you guys and watch this video till the end because I'm going to be showing you a baking secret and you guys can use it. It's an app, so I'm so excited for this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, now you're going to be needing Oreo and 2 bowls and 1 glass of milk. So okay guys, so now you're going to be taking the Oreo and you're going to be you have to open it like this, and this is the cream part which will go in one bowl, and this is like a simple part which doesn't have cream. We need to put the cream and the cream part in one bowl, and we're going to be putting this normal part in this. We're going to be doing the same with all of the Oreos. Let me show you. Like when I open this is the normal part and this is the cream part. So we need to put it like this. So I'm going to be doing the same with all of the Oreos. Guys, now you can see that this is my normal part and this is my cream part. And this is 1 glass of milk. So guys, in the next step, you need to take a blender and you need to put that 1 glass of milk and the cream part in it. This is the cream part. I'm going to be adding these Oreos. These Oreos, guys, these Oreos are very sweet, so we don't need any sugar to add in it. So now we need to blend it up. But guys, it's a very important point that there should be no lumps of the cream, because when first I tried this recipe, what happened was the cream lumps were still there, so we don't want that. We need to blend it super nicely to get a fine shake. So let's do it. Okay guys, so now you can see that this is my Oreo milkshake. Now guys, in the next step, we need to crush these biscuits. But we need to crush it barely because it's a topping. We don't need to make it a thin powder. We have to crush it like barely. Let me show you how. So guys, these are the Oreos. Let's put it in this and let's crush it. So now you can see that these are crushed barely. It's not a full powder basically. Let me show you. These are crushed barely. So now we're going to be putting it as a topping on top of our milkshakes. So let's put it. I'm so excited for the result. So it's going to be a nice topping. I'll show you guys a picture. Now guys, for my favorite step, enjoy the drink. Wait, the video is not over yet. I want to show you this app, which is a baking secret. I told you about this in my intro. So let me show you what it is exactly. Guys, this app is totally awesome. You can search for so many recipes. There are tons and tons of recipes. And you can see I have searched for unicorn recipes, and these are unicorn cream puffs. They show you a video, and these look really amazing and they must be really yummy too. I haven't tried it, but I will surely try it. And they also show you some ingredients, like ingredients for how many servings you can increase and decrease the amount of servings. And you can see the nutrition info and some tips given by some other people. And mostly the tips are awesome because these recipes are, and I sometimes I think that they have tons and tons of recipes, never ending. They if you don't want to watch the video, then you can also check out this thing. They will show you the text and you can make it. It's totally free. Even you can shop some of the food which you like if you don't want to make it at your home. So guys, how is the app? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you also like the app. Do tell me in the comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates or videos. So bye bye.